Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee with condensed milk without pressure cooker. Gather a heavy-bottomed pan, wooden spoon, baking sheet lined with parchment, and a candy thermometer before you begin. Begin by combining condensed milk, butter, and sugar in the pan over medium-low heat. Stir constantly to prevent burning and watch for a deep amber color. Pour onto the prepared sheet and let cool until firm before breaking into pieces. Start by measuring all ingredients precisely to ensure consistent toffee texture. Use 1 14-ounce condensed milk, 1 cup sugar, and 1/2 cup butter for a medium batch. Preheat a heavy pan and line a baking sheet with parchment or silicone. Melt butter, add condensed milk and sugar, then stir vigorously to dissolve sugar. Keep heat steady, and use candy thermometer to reach firm ball or 120 degrees C for reliable results consistency. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers to your kitchen, making multitasking easier while you cook. Its compact size and clear sound fit any counter and help you set timers hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals to compare options. Now let's get back to the video. Cook the mixture slowly over medium-low heat while stirring to prevent scorching. Maintain a gentle simmer and skim foam as needed for a smooth final toffee. Watch for color and temperature, aiming for a deep amber and 120 degrees C for proper set. If you don't have a thermometer, test a spoonful in cold water to check firmness. Once ready, quickly pour onto the prepared sheet and spread evenly to cool completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.